Right, I am making Butterscotch Peanut Butter Fudge. My butterscotch and my peanut butter. I'm going to melt this all together. I got my pan here. I'm going to line it with parchment. Oh my. This looks absolutely delicious. All right. I'm going to set that in the refrigerator, let it set up, then we'll cut it. All right. Let it set up. Now, if you want a thicker fudge, just use a smaller pan or make a double batch. Ooh, this cut's really nice too. Okay, let's see. This is delicious. I just love candy. I think that's my problem. It's really good.